welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
Let's begin. The letter Q as in Queen, using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook with Caron 1 pound. Let's start off with a slip knot, and we're going to begin by chaining 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, and then we're just going to slip stitch to the very first one to create the ring. Try not to twist your chain either. It'll just be easier for you. And let's begin round number 1. So I like the designer's thinking here. We're going to get rid of the hard stuff right off the bat. And so what we're going to do right now is that you're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to go second chain from the hook, and you're going to single crochet that one plus the other one that you have. This is the little tail on the Q, and then coming back to your chain or your beginning chain, I want you to just single crochet in each stitch going around. You really don't need to count it if you were consistent with your numbers. So you're going to come all the way back around, and you're going to slip stitch then to where this is right here. This is the starting. You're going to slip stitch, but you're not quite done. You're going to create the tail that goes in the internal side of the O, or sorry, of the Q. Okay, make sure that when you did join that you are not joining in a weird way. Okay. So right where you're sitting, you're just going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, second chain from the hook again, single crochet, and the other one, and then slip stitch to where you were. So this will be the piece that is going in the internal. I don't know if you really need it in today's society, but who knows. Okay, so keep this tail long. That will be the tail that will go down and attach to your project. Okay, so then you have your Q, and you just got to shape it. Now you can see that there's a little bit of space here, so what I can do is with the starting one that I began with, I can kind of close stuff off like that. We've had that in other letters as well, because you know, you get a lot of stitch work in one chain, it can open it up. So what you want to do is you just take your starting one and just kind of go across, and it will kind of close it on you. And you can also secure that down when you're sewing it to your project as well. So the magic number is to go 3 times, and then once you're happy with that, you're good to go. And then you can cut that right out. and then your other strand's ready to go, and your queue is all lined up and ready to go into your project.